Hello guys, StyleFX here, and we're back with a new video. Today is day number 6 in the challenge, and sadly the incoming 2 weeks are not recorded live, but I'll break down all the trades and I will give you all of my thoughts and how the challenge went. I didn't finish it yet. I was just really sick and I had some problems. I couldn't really record at all, so I will just break down the trades to keep up with you guys, and I will be fully transparent during this challenge. I will show you my losses and wins as I have been doing from the beginning. So yeah, this day we took 4 trades. It was Monday, second week in the challenge. So let's get straight to it. Okay guys, so starting with the first trade here, we had a trade on gold. I approached the markets and it was looking like that exactly, and I found a supply right here. It's a high probability supply. It had a gap attached to it and it had a break of structure too. As you can see, it broke structure to the downside, and if you go on the 15-minute, we broke structure to the downside too. So I love when the 15-minute is in confluence with the 5-minute and of course 1 hour too. And right here we were in a downtrend, so it was really beautiful. So if you look on the 5-minute, I just waited for my entry, and there was gaps here too. Forgot to say that. So there was gaps to fill, like you can see the gaps from here to here, or from here to here, it doesn't matter. But there was gaps to fill, and we're in a downtrend. The 200 EMA is right here. It was a beautiful trade. I waited for my entry, and I entered by the break of the lows of the candle for supply. So I didn't get it, and yes, right here I entered, but my entry was really bad. It was right there, and I had my stop loss set above these highs. Okay, leave that one like that, and my target was only a 1-to-1. So I just waited and the price reversed to me. Okay, and actually I closed full of this position right here. I'll tell you why now. The reason I cut the loss here is because this candle closed above these highs here, so I didn't really like the way it closed. Like if this candle rejected from these highs and closed below them, yeah, that would be really nice, but it closed above them, so I couldn't stay in the trade. It was in the bad probability side, so I had to get out, and I saw that this zone was still valid, so I just waited for a re-entry, like as you can see. Oh, okay, played out already. So I waited for a re-entry, and my entry was right here. As soon as it broke this candle, my stop loss was above these highs here, and my target was a 1.5. and that's it guys. I just closed full here. I think it hit like a 1-to-2. Yeah, it hit a 1-to-2, and yeah, I just got out here and I made back the loss, and I made more profits too. So it was a really nice trade. And actually guys, as you can see, there was a 3-step confluence demand. I learned this from EP. This demand broke structure to the upside. It's a minor structure, broke, but it broke structure to the upside. As you can see, broke this minor structure and this structure, and yeah, and so on. And then they grabbed liquidity from right here. Okay, so it was a really clean demand, and it also had a gap attached to it, so the price was gonna come down to tap it. Like it was a high probability that it's gonna get tapped, so it came down to my zone, and as soon as it tapped, I just waited for my entry. I love the rejections that it closed outside, but I didn't get a break of candle here, so I just waited, and this candle actually broke these highs. As you can see, it's very small break, but I saw it on the MT4 and I executed on that. What's wrong? Okay, and my stop loss was below the lows, like around here, and that was my 1-to-1 target, right? And we were in drawdown, and next candle was really scary too, but it didn't break the lows of this candle, and then it just started going up and it smashed TP. As I got the 1-to-1, I just went out because we are against the trend and we have the 200 EMA against us, So I can't stay in a trade for longer than 1-to-1 when the 200 EMA is against me. But as you can see, the supply we had on top, it actually played out and it was really nice. So that was the third trade of the day, and this trade was really beautiful. I will play it down here for you guys. So this trade was based on 930, like you know, New York Exchange Open, it just pushes price really fast on Nasdaq. So what happened is that the price came and like it just did its PS, because you know 930 just keeps going everywhere. The volume is so large. So what 930 made, that it made a demand right here, a high probability demand, and it also grabbed the liquidity of these lows right here, like these double bottoms here. And then as you can see, it broke structure to the upside here. Okay, so I was waiting for the break of the candle to get in. I didn't get in here. I waited, and as soon as this candle got broken, I go in here. Okay, and I was targeting a 1-to-1 only, but it was actually a great trade, guys. As you can see, wait, just went a little bit in drawdown, but then it went right back up and TP was hit. It was a beautiful trade, and then it kept running, I believe. Yeah, it kept running to like a 1-to-2. So it was a beautiful trade, but I only took a 1-to-1. And yeah guys, it just swept the liquidity, break of structure. It's a minor structure break, but still it was really clean, and we're on an uptrend right now. So it was really nice. So yeah guys, that was it for today. That was the 6th day of the challenge. That was Monday on the 2nd week of the challenge. Hopefully you learned anything from the video, and if you liked my video, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, please comment below or ask me on my Instagram. See ya.